What do I look like? I'm just about to go. I can't even look at me straight in the eye. I'm just. Ew. This stuff is minging. It stinks. It's the Poundland's gold mask for the blackheads. Thought I'd try this one instead of the black one, but I really don't like it. It stinks. So I'm getting ready to go in for a shower because you can tell I badly need it. So I'm doing this first. I'm just about to make myself, Nutella and I, a smoothie. Now that I've finally got my apple juice, I'll just put these there, guys. Now I'm talking to the tube. Just keep thinking I'm talking to myself. Hang on, just gonna rinse out this bottle I haven't used for a little bit. Like I talk to myself. Just rinsing out a bottle that goes on the blender. The one that just attaches straight onto it, which is really, really good. Thank God the wind's picked up outside because I have been boiling all day. All day. This is starting to go tight now where it's just drying. I'll leave it on for 20 minutes. So I've had a good couple of recommendations for scary movies. So I'm going to watch, I think it's somebody recommended It. So I am going to watch that. See if I can find it on Netflix or Prime. Excuse me, I'm going to watch that. And then I will come back on later and tell you what I think of it. Ooh. I go over here. I've had this on about half an hour now and it's very tight. I had to go and lay down for 10 minutes because when I finished making that smoothie, my rib got a sharp pain, so I had to go and lay down. Oh, this is disgusting. So it's kind of the spasm and the sharp pain's going to die down a bit. And I can sit up because I need to get this off. Ooh. I want to jump in for a quick shower. Oh, jeez. Well, I don't know if there's any blackheads on there, but my nose feels nice and smooth. If anything, I think it's just pulled off my head. I don't know if you can see anything on there. Not that you want to, because that's completely gross, but yeah. But my nose is nice and smooth. Sorry if you can hear the traffic. You're sitting up on my bedroom windowsill and the window's opened. And it's quite a main road outside. Oh, blimey, O'Reilly. So that's me out my shower. I'm just going to put cream on. Age perfect, you know, because getting old. It's one my mum got me, I think it was for Christmas. I actually prefer Nivea products, to be fair, but I've left my Nivea cream up at the family house. This one's alright, but I find it dead greasy and doesn't sit too well on my skin. My skin's kind of like leather now that it's older. I've got like combination skin, but I find it kind of sits on my skin rather than soaking into it. So I'm just coming out of the shower, as you can see. Tan, silly tan lines. Me not putting my sun cream on. Scrubbed all my fake tan off. Ow! I think one of my fake nails is about to come off as well. I've had them on for a while. I love these nails. Yeah, so also this cream is quite good. It does the job. It smells weird. It smells like tobacco to me. I just prefer Nivea. I think it's a lot lighter on older skin than L'Oreal, and to be honest, just because you're paying for something expensive, claiming it does this and does that because it's a name make, doesn't mean that it works. And I've used Nivea for years, and I don't think it's doing too bad for my age, really, considering all the stress and illnesses and everything. I don't think I look too bad for my age. Wrinkles and that are starting to show a lot more now than what they have been, but it's part of life. So yeah. So there we go. I'm going to put on my hands as well to stop all the wrinkles. My big fat chubby hands. Oh, my hair's falling out. This is why I hate washing my hair, because I always get big clumps of hair falling out. So I'm away to dry my hair. I've left my hairdryer at the family house as well. So as you can hear behind me, I've got a little blow heater on, so I'm going to sit. I'm going to sit with that and dry me. In fact, I know you aren't going to believe me. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to take you down there right now as I'm talking, just to prove it. I'll be careful what I'm doing with my towel and keep you up the way. Let's see if I can prop these against. In fact, I'll use my cup. Hang on, that's got painkillers, isn't it? Right. So there's nothing on show. Oh yeah, that's good, look. No light shade. That's what happens when you pull. So yeah, and I don't brush my hair when it's wet like this, because you're just literally ripping your hair out, and my hair is already, you can see it's like straw. See it coming out? Look, that's just me just doing this. My hair is so bad. So advice to anyone, don't brush your hair when it's wet. Blow heater, this is what I'm using. And yeah, I do this a lot. You all look at me like that, this bloody crazy woman. The things that I do. But I'm improvising. Still does the job, still blowing out hot air. Just in case you don't think it's on, you can hear it on. You can see it blowing my hair. Kind of. Right, I'll come back in a minute when I don't look like a caveman. Captain Caveman. Oh god. It's getting there. Oh, a couple of minutes and it'll be all done. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, why are you on my channel again? Why are you watching me? Oh dear, dear. But yeah, nearly done. That's it. This actually I think works quicker and better than a hairdryer, do you know that? So I'm gonna go because my towel's not exactly staying up, and I'm about to flashing my washing, as they say. And I need to go and fix this. I need to go and fix this Captain Caveman look. Oh. See you in a minute, guys. So I'm at shower, all sorted, half decent again. Like I said before, my hair, when it's first washed, it's quite wiry. Give it an hour or so, it starts kind of greasy again, like I've not washed it, and it drives me nuts. So, I'm just looking up these horror movies that were suggested to me. Thanks for those who commented. Liz Carr per watch the original It. It's definitely worth a watch. I've not been able to find it on Netflix, Liz. If you could let me know if it's on Amazon Prime. So I've got Netflix on, and the next one was Adele Clark said, Don't Hang Up. That's one of the best movies I've ever watched. So thanks, Adele. So I'm going to see if that's on Netflix. If it's not, it looks like I'm going to have to go on to... Oh, I've got an incoming call. Hang on, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys. Just had to take a phone call. I've just looked up Don't Hang Up, suggested by Adele Clark. That's not on Netflix either. Sorry, guys. I'm still absolutely sweating from the shower. So I think it might be on Amazon Prime. I will have a look and I'll come back to you again in a minute. So I found Don't Hang Up on Amazon Prime, but it's a movie you've got to pay $4.99 for, which I kind of grudge paying because I'm already paying for the Prime, so why should I pay for extra movies? So I'll watch the trailer in a little while, and if I think it's any good, then I'll obviously still pay the $4.99. And then the original It, which is just It. Let me see if that's on there. I'm just looking up on my tablet. Yes. Oh, they've got different ones here. Hang on. It, Stephen King's It, Rent or Buy. And that to rent is $3.49. I don't think I've watched it. I may have watched it because it was 1990. I wasn't really into horror movies back then. I am now. But yeah, back then I wasn't really into scary movies. That one's £3.49. So I will probably rent that one just now. And if I'm not freaked out by it, then I'll go on and buy the other one. Don't Hang Up. So yeah. So thank you both of you for the suggestions. I'm going to go and watch these. Well, I'm definitely watching the Stephen King's It. That clown looks hideous. So I'm going to go and watch that just now. And I'll either come back on later or tomorrow and let you know what I thought of it. So, ciao for now.